ever been invited to a house party in Serbia, you know it's never casual. Someone says, "Ajde, svrati večeras," and you think it will be quick. You arrive, there is food, then kafa, then rakija. It can be slava, a birthday, or a random Tuesday. You don't come empty-handed. Vino, čokolada, kafa, something small is always enough. And when someone says, "Uđi, samo na minut," that minute usually turns into 2 or 3 hours. At some point, you stop just listening. You start making jokes and comments. That's usually when Serbian stops feeling like a language and starts feeling like real life. And if you want to learn that language with us, sign up for group or individual lessons. Vidimo se!